How to enable color blind mode in Trello. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are trying to make your Trello application easier to use for color visions difference, then here's how you can enable the color blind mode. First of all, launch open Trello application or website and sign into your account. Once you're inside the home page, go ahead and click on your account or your profile icon at the bottom right corner, and from the expanded menu, select App Settings. Now, under App Settings, toggle on the button right next to Color Blind Mode. Right after you do that, you'll be able to enable the Color Blind Mode in Trello. You can now get back to your boards. You can then see improved patterns or icons that can help distinguish colors more clearly. So that is how you enable the Color Blind Mode in Trello in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.